How many of you have difficulty making choices, decision making? How many of you had a tough time when you go to choose clothes? But it's easy. Check your pocket, you know what to buy. And then what about courses? Any of you ever gone through this? क्या करूँ मैं? Doctor बनूँ कि engineer बनूँ? कि प्रभु जी जैसा बनूँ? कैसे बनूँ? You know which one to be? But even a tougher choice comes when you have to choose a life partner. What do you say? Prabhu ji. Such difficult choices to make in life. There are more serious choices than a life partner. Ladies and gentlemen, a girl came up to me, 19 years old. She was molested. She was 3 months pregnant. And she asks me, should I drop the child or should I keep the child? What do you tell her? Is it choosing a set of clothes? Is it making a choice between this girl or that girl or this guy or that guy based on whichever gender you are? Is it as simple as choosing something to eat from a menu card? Ladies and gentlemen, life is not as easy as it seems when it comes to making complicated choices like these. Guys, don't abuse someone's life. For you, it's a pleasure for a moment. For that girl, it's life. Rest of her life, she'll have to live like this, making one or the other choice. And someone has put that girl into such a situation. You know? Can you imagine what a complicated situation that is for her? You want to know what choice I told her? I told her, I don't know what to do. It's your choice. I don't have to live with it, right? You have to live with it. Whichever choice you make will come with a consequence. And you have to accept that consequence. You have to be willing to adopt that consequence. And if you are ready for that consequence, make that choice. You only have to. If you have a choice like this, if you say, I'll drop the child, we're willing to accept the consequence of guilt for the rest of your life. It will keep killing you. And if she accepts the choice of living, making the child live, then she has to accept the consequence of the fact that she has to go and tell her parents this is what has happened. Who's going to marry her, bring up the child and live in the society? Life is like that. Where we are put in many complicated situations. I want to offer all of you a very powerful tool. A very simple one. When you're talking about making a choice, weigh the consequences and just decide which of the two consequences you are okay to bear. Moral dilemmas are easy to solve because moral dilemmas are between good and bad. Ethical dilemmas are hard to solve because ethical dilemmas are between bad and bad or good and good. Remember this always. You will have to make one choice. You're not going to be spared by life. You will always have to make one choice. Choices means two things to remember. Informed choices and transformed choices. We should make informed choices. What is an informed choice? Based on proper knowledge, based on proper deliberation, based on proper consideration, based on proper analysis, not haphazardly, whimsically made choices. And what is transformed choices? Choices based on our spiritual strength. So when we have a combination of informed and transformed, then we make a choice. Because informed, we know what to do, but we can't do it. And thus we definitely need to make transformed choices. And therefore they say, an intelligent person will open your mind. A handsome person will open your eyes. Aakh khul jata na, अरे कितना handsome है. But a gentleman will open your heart. You know? A gentleman will open your heart. And what to speak of an intelligent, handsome gentleman? This is what I appeal to all of you. Become an intelligent, handsome gentleman